Another benefit of having Apple CarPlay or Android Auto on your new Lincoln Nautilus is being able to use a smartphone-based navigation system. In order to access this navigation system, incorporating Siri to help assist, use your speech function on the steering wheel like such. I'm hungry. Directions to IHOP.
Getting directions to IHOP.
Once she finds the location, you'll be able to choose the section that says Go.
Starting route to IHOP. Head southeast on South MacArthur Drive.
It's as simple as that. Once again, if you do have any questions, please reach out to us here at Hixson Autoplex of Alexandria. And remember, you pick it out and we'll work it out.